The permeameter in a permeability test setup involves a soil sample 80 millimeters in diameter and a length of 200 millimeters. The height of water is kept constant of 400 millimeters in a duration of 4 minutes. Water was collected in the graduated flask having a volume of 320 cubic centimeters. Determine the coefficient of permeability in centimeter per hour. Parang na ito yung merong soil dito with 80 millimeters in diameter and the length of the soil is 200 millimeters. Merong water dito, papasok dyan. Then, pang-flow yung water ito, this is the discharge, the constant head is 400 meters. Ayun, general formula natin, mapa-constant head for variable head is ito KIK. Ito talaga yung general formula. A is the permeability, I is the hydraulic gradient, and area is area of the flow. The hydraulic gradient natin is H, that is the ratio of its head to the length of flow. Yung length of flow is yung ating length of square, 200 millimeters. Payon, ang kayong hinahanap natin dito, yung H, yung I is H over L, yung area naman is area ng row. O, ano yung Q? Ang Q natin, meron sang volume over height. Ubunin natin sa, kasi volume Q is cubic meters per hectare or cubic meter or volume over height. So, dito natin siya mapuwa. Cubic centimeter in every or minutes. Okay, convert natin to, we want here centimeter per hour. Pwede ko i-convert yung minute to hour. 60 minutes is 1 hour. Cancel. You will have here from cubic centimeter per hour. Kung clear ko na ikaw, yung K nga lang yung unknown. Ito is H over L area. Rearranging this formula, then you will have this formula. ULS over AH. Sabi si Chu, unit consistent lamang na. Yung Q is cubic meter per hour. Inas is ko lang. Okay? Yung L natin length ng soil, inas is ko lang sa millimeters. Yung area ng flow. By the way, 80 millimeters is 8 centimeters. Convert ko siya to centimeters. So that the area is pi over 4, 8 centimeters squared. Area ng circle. O consistent kasi dito, consistent siya to centimeter. Yung H naman natin, as is ko lang siya in millimeters because this will just cancel. Millimeters will just cancel. So notice that the unit here will be cancel yung square, cancel dito, isa na lang yung matitira sa taas. The unit will be centimeter per hour. Okay? 47.75 centimeter per hour.